Good morning, everyone. Just it's a nice morning out, and I thought I'd take the car to work. So we're going to do a cold start. I'm not sure what the temperature is. It's not too awfully cold. I'm checking my phone right now. It is 46 degrees. So we'll do a little bit of a cold start at 46 degrees and then head on off to work. Put some choke on. Keep my foot off the gas. Don't really need the clutch. All right, she started up pretty easy, and let's head out. Well, we're up to 15 miles an hour. Here we go. Woo! No, didn't hit 20. It's getting exciting. Well, that was it. That was all of our excitement for the entire trip to work. Went around a circle. We're heading into the chicane at 3 miles an hour. Hold on to your asses. This is going to be wild. Oop, we're up to 6. Just doubled our speed. I tell you what, I love the Datsun, the way she just hugs these curves. Just put her where you want. Seat of the pants driving. It's crazy. That was the mild left. We got a sharp right coming up. Then another left. Here it is. Downhill, off camber. Off camber? I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Woohoo! Yeah! That was exciting. We took that at 8 miles an hour, people. I've got our final curve to the left. I think we'll hit this at about 4.5. You wanted a crazy drive. You drive with me. You know, the best part about having cameras is now when I'm talking to myself, I'm not really talking to myself. I'm talking to you guys. Well, you guys back there, too. All my other times, I was just a nut. A lunatic. Woo! Second gear! Well, this was supposed to be the exciting part of the drive. I hope you guys enjoyed that. We got another little bit coming up here in just a second. And by a second, I mean anywhere between a minute and 3 hours. We got the turn signal on. Let them know. About to hit top speed. 37, 38, 40 miles an hour. Oh, back down again. Please remind me tomorrow that I need to leave earlier. I'm counting on you guys. You want to come with me tomorrow too? Well, that was as exciting as it's going to get. Downshift, 2 hands on the wheel, hit the one curve at 40. That guy ran the red light, you caught it on camera. There we go. We hit 50 on the way to work. Right at the 40-mile-an-hour sign. Shh. Don't tell anyone. It was an accident. Speedometer's off, even though this uses GPS. And it should calculate the exact speed really pretty accurately. You lie! I should put a mirror over there. Woo! What a drive. Thanks for coming with me, guys. I'll hit you on the way home. That should be more exciting.